Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about enlargement. There are two important points. There are two important factors you will have to memorize in the enlargement which defines a enlargement. Number one is center of enlargement, and number second is the scale factor of enlargement. What does scale factor means? Scale factor means how much the figure has been enlarged or reduced. How much the figure has been enlarged or reduced. Now, first of all, we will learn how to find out the center and the scale factor of the enlargement when image and object are given. Our task is to the question is triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle DEF. Find the center and scale factor of the enlargement. Two triangles are given. One is ABC, other one is D, E, and F. Triangle ABC, smaller one, is mapped onto triangle DEF. You can see that the figure DEF has been enlarged. We want to find out the center and the scale factor of the enlargement. To find out the center of the enlargement, we will join the respective images and objects. That is, I will join A with D and extend, B with E and extend, and F with C and extend. The point of intersection of the three lines is the center, say X. We will join the respective images and objects and extend the lines to meet at a point. The point of intersection of the lines is known as the center. Now, how can I will write down the steps to find out the center? Is the center of enlargement. Now, how to find out the scale factor? The definition of the scale factor is image length over object length. In this case, the image length is AB. The image length is DE. And the object length is AB. If the image length is BC, then if the image length is DF, then what's the object length?
AC.
BC. EF over BC. Or if the object length is DF, then the image length is DF, then the object length is AC. In this way, we can find out the scale factor. There is another formula to find out the scale factor, which is distance of image from center divided by distance of object from center. The distance of D from the center is dx. The distance of respective object A from the center is ax. So we can find out the scale factor with the help of dx over ax. And if we consider E as the image, then and B as the object, then what should be the formula to find out the scale factor?
So EX over BX.
Good. Similarly, for F and C, Fx over Cx. In this, in both the ways, we can find out the scale factor of the enlargement. Now, I will give you another example. In this case, you can see that the AB length is 2 and the DE length is 4. So the scale factor is G beta.
2.
Yes, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Now I will give you another other example that how can we find out the scale factor and the center of enlargement. You can see that you can see the two triangles. One is ABC, other one is DEF. Now we will find out the center of the enlargement. Triangle ABC, the question is the same. Triangle ABC is mapped onto DEF. Find the center and the scale factor of the enlargement. But the diagrams are different. Now we will join A with D. We will join C with F, and we will join B with E with the help of a ruler. Now this one is the center. Now you can see that compare these two diagrams. In the first diagram, the image and object are on the same side of the center. In this one, image and object are on the same side of the center. In this one, in this case, image and object are on the opposite sides of the center. Now, if the image and object are on the same side of the center, then we will write down the scale factor as positive number. This one is very important note. If O and I are on the same side of the center, then scale factor is written positive. Say mine positive 2, positive 3, maybe 1 by 2, that there is a reduction in the diagram. And if O and I are on the opposite sides of the center, then the scale factor is written negative. And you can see that in the two diagrams, there is a rotation of how many degrees? ABC
180.
180 degrees. Yes. If there is an enlargement and the rotation is of 180 degree, then the scale factor is negative. Now, Next task is to how to draw the image on the plain paper when ABC is mapped onto DEF under an enlargement. Question is how to draw image on the plain paper when object center and scale factor is given. This one is the task. And the question is triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle DEF under an enlargement. Scale scale factor 2 and center X. This one is the triangle ABC. This one is center X. Now we want to enlarge this diagram with scale factor 2 and center X. Now the scale factor is positive. Image and object will be on the same side of the center. First of all, I will join X with A and extend in this way. Now, what's the distance of X from A? We will measure the distance from X to A. Scale factor is 2. We will multiply the distance with 2. Suppose that this distance is 3 centimeters. We will multiply 3 with 2 and the answer is 6. We will draw a point from the X at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center. Now this we will double this distance. This one is the new image point. Okay. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Now I will join X with C and extend. Measure the distance XC, multiply the distance with the scale factor and mark the point uh, at a distance uh, from X. Suppose that this distance is 5, multiply this distance with 2, answer is 10. Now mark the point at a distance of 10 units from X. This one is the new point. Now this point is F point. This point is D point. Now we want to draw the point E. I will again join X with B and then extend. Let this distance XB is 8. We will multiply this distance with 2 and mark a point at a distance of 8 units from X on this line. This one is the point E. Now the new triangle formed is this one. This one DEF is the image of ABC, center X and scale factor 2. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now if the scale factor is negative, then we will join X with A and extend on the other side. Should I elaborate an example with elaborate the concept with an example with a scale factor, negative scale factor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one is the triangle ABC. This one is the scale factor. Sorry, center X. Now question is the same. Scale factor is 2 and the center is X. And the scale factor is minus 2. In this case, the scale factor is minus 2. I will join A with X and extend on the other side, not on the same side. Because if the scale factor is negative, then the center is in between image and the object. I will join X with A. Now, I will not extend this line from A onwards. I will extend this line from X onwards. Okay. Now, if I will extend this line from A beyond A, then the image and object will be on the same side of the center. And if I will extend this line beyond X, then the image will be on the opposite side of the center. Should I repeat?
No, sir.
Let this distance AX is 2. We will multiply this one with 2 and the answer is 4. And I will draw the image at a distance of 4 units from X. That is 1, 2, at this point. Now I will join B with X and extend this one on the other side. Let this distance be 5. Bx is equal to 5. Now we will mark a point at a distance of 10 units from X. That is this point. Now we will join C with X and extend this line on the other side. Let this distance be 3. We will multiply this distance with 2 and mark the distance 6 from X on the other side. This one. Now this point is C. Corresponding to C, the image point is F. Corresponding to A, the image point is D. And corresponding to B, the image point is E. The new diagram, image diagram is this one. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Now our next task is to draw the how to draw the image on the graph paper. The question is triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle DEF under an enlargement. Scale factor -2. center, 2 and 2. With A has the coordinates 3, 1, B 5, 1, and C and C 5 and 4. Draw the image triangle D, E, and F. First of all, we will draw x-axis and y-axis and draw the triangle ABC. A is 3, 1, B is 5, 1, and C is 5 and 4. Center is 2, 2. This one is the center. Now the step 1 for the construction is find the column vector from center to the object. Step 2. Consider the point A. For A, the column vector from X to the object is G. क्या है?
Sir, 1, 1.
Please rethink. Start from the center, end at A.
Sir,
1,
1 minus 1.
1 minus 1. Yes, 1 and minus 1. Step 2. Multiply the column vector with the scale factor. Minus 2 into 1 minus 1. The new column vector formed is minus 2 and positive 2. Step 3. Draw the new column vector from the center. Center is x. Now we will draw minus 2 and 2 from the center. Stand at x, move 2 units towards left and 2 units up or down. Minus 2 and 2.
Sir,
Minus 2. Minus 2 indicates 2 units left and 2 units up, positive 2. Yes. This one is the point D. Now, for B, what's the column vector? The column vector for B is from X,
3 minus 1.
yes, 3 minus 1. After multiplying this one with minus 2, the new column vector is minus 6 and positive 2. Now, standard X, move 6 units towards left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 2 units up. This one is the point E. What's the column vector for C?
Sir, 4 2.
4, 2. After multiplying this with minus 2, it will become minus 8 and minus 4. 4, 2? No. Please rethink over it. C is this point. This point is C.
Sir, 3 3.
3, rethink.
Sir, 3 2.
3, 2. This one is the column vector. 3, 2. 3, 3, minus 6 and minus 4. Stand at X and draw the column vector minus 6 and minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and minus 4. This one is the point. F. Now the new triangle is this one is the image triangle. You will draw these lines with the help of ruler. Okay. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. In this way, we can draw the image on the graph paper. Now, relationship between the area of image and object. relation between the area of image and object under enlargement. Area of image divided by area of object is equal to k square, where k is the scale factor. This one is the relationship between the area of image and object. Okay, is it's all about the uh, जो है enlargement. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
You will attempt the exercise in the description given. Now we will learn about the matrix of enlargement. If the center is origin 0, 0, then the matrix of enlargement is k0, 0k, where k is the scale factor. Now the question is triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle DEF under an enlargement. Center 0, 0, scale factor -3, with A is 3, 1, B is 5, 1, and C is 5, 4. Find the coordinates of D, E, and F. Now, as the center is 0, 0, We will use the matrix to find out the images, and we will pre-multiply the matrix. The matrix is K0 0 K, that is minus 3 0 0 minus 3. Now we will write down the coordinates of A, B, and C in the next matrix. 3 1, 5 1, and 5 4. Now we will multiply these two matrices with the help of matrix multiplication. That is minus 3 into 3 plus 0 into 1 minus 3 into 5 plus 0 into 1 minus 3 into 5 plus 0 into 4. Now we will multiply the second row with all the columns. 0 into 3 minus 3 into 1, 0 into 5 minus 3 into 1, 0 into 5 minus 3 into 4. The final coordinates are, after simplification, minus 9, minus 15, minus 15, minus 3, and minus 12. These are the coordinates of D, E, and F. Coordinates of D are minus 9, minus 3, E are minus 15 and 3, and F are minus 15 and minus 12. Now keep it in your mind that you will draw all the lines with the help of ruler. That is, in this case, triangle DEF should be drawn with the help of the ruler. There should be exact straight lines. You will draw these green lines with the help of the ruler, and then you will draw the new points. You will also draw AD line, BE line, and CF line with the help of ruler to find out the exact coordinates of the center. In this case, you will also join F with C and extend, E with B and extend, A and D, A join A, D with A and extend with the help of ruler. If you will use the ruler, yeah, then you will be able to find out the exact position of the center. Thank you very much.